Hi mga ka-locals! Let's try the super sulit 399 pesos buffet in Binondo. Meron ka ng hand-pulled noodles, handmade xiaolong pao, fried rice, clams, tofu, and more. Kaya naman tara, let's visit Quintin Paredes and eat at China Lanzo beef noodles. Pagpasok nyo pa lang, very spacious na yung restaurant. Pero syempre, dito na agad tayo sa buffet nila. They have some soup here, as well as some fried rice, noodles, tofu, clams, and so much more. I swear, for 399 pesos, ang sulit na nito. In fairness din naman sa mga cooked dishes nila, ang sasarap and flavorful. But my favorite talaga here are their handmade noodles and xiaolong pao, yung beef noodles nila. Saktong-sakto yung lambot and ang chewy ng noodles. Very beefy din yung broth niya. But wait, let's sanitize muna with our Cherub baby wipes. Alam niyo naman, this is always a must whenever I eat out. Then eto, yung xiaolong pao nila. Alam niyo ba, they do everything by hand, kaya nakakabilib talaga, kaya very soft din yung skin ng xiaolong pao. And syempre, some dessert. Kaya naman, if you're looking for a sulit restaurant in Binondo, I swear, visit niyo tong restaurant na to kasi ang sarap. And after eating, syempre, I'm going to use again my Cherub baby wipes. Ay, yun lang, share ko lang.